And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you put your VR glasses on. If you don't have one yet, check them out in the description below. And let's go! Today we're gonna select Motorbike and we are in Thailand. So on the left hand side you see Chiang Mai, and now we're gonna zoom in a little bit to the area where we drive today. And let's go! A really beautiful morning today. We have no clouds and no mist, and you see currently the sky is really clear. In about 1-2 months the burning season will start, and then you're gonna see in some of my next videos it's really smoky, so you have everywhere smoke and the sun or the heaven is not so clear anymore. So we're gonna enjoy now this beautiful weather and the clear sky. The location where we're riding today is a little bit east of Chiang Mai city, and it is in the area where we have a lot of rice fields and the farming villages. It is one of my favorite places here, as there is not a lot of traffic jam even when you drive through the villages, and usually normally in the city you have a lot of traffic, and here it's really cozy, not a lot of traffic, and really nice environment. We're passing here the river, and later on we pass a lot of rice fields and some other farming villages. As always, my favorite time to drive with a motorbike in the early morning around 7-8 o'clock, as the temperatures are still very low. Well, so for Thailand, low, about 20-25 degrees. And you see, when you would drive further on this street, you would reach the mountains, the east side mountains of Chiang Mai city. And Chiang Mai itself is surrounded by mountains. There is a street going straight up to the north and to the south, and there are like some valleys where you pass that you can reach to the city of Chiang Mai. And the rice fields here you see, they're just before the mountains. You don't see the mountains now because the sun is quite bright, but if we would go further this street, you would reach the mountains, which I'm gonna cover in some of my next videos. Yeah, you see here on the left side really these little motorbikes with the sidecar. It's really common here in Thailand that the people have sidecars on the motorbike, as it is much cheaper than a car and really easy to do. My friend of mine, he has a sidecar motorbike, and he told me he just got the bike for about 20,000 baht, which is around about $600 US.
everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real, I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire.
Really nice area, I like it really here. Have you already been here in Chiang Mai? If so, just leave me in a comment if you have been here in Chiang Mai. It's really nice city. Well, it's actually more like kind of a big village. There are not many big towers. There are a few towers, but they're not very large, same like in Bangkok or other cities like Pattaya or so. So it's really the vibe here in Chiang Mai is really nice. I really like it. So just leave me in the comments below if you visited Chiang Mai already, or if you even visited this area where I'm driving right now. I think when you drive with a motorbike in Thailand, one of the most dangerous thing what you have to be aware of are the animals, especially the dogs. You have a lot of dogs everywhere around on the streets, and they really tend to just walk into the street when you drive. I have a friend, he crashed into two dogs because they just ran into his car, and he had luck that he was around with the car and not with a motorbike. With a motorbike it could be very bad if you crash into a dog. They're like really tend to just walk into the street or just stay on the street without moving, and you have to drive around them. Very brave. Alright guys, we're coming to the end of this video. Really hope you liked it. If so, well, just comment below if you liked it, and leave me a comments, and thumb up, and of course subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.